Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. Welcome once again to my channel Realtor from Dubai. Now before starting today's episode of Realtor from Dubai, I would like to give you a couple of good news that people from UAE as well as people across the world were waiting for. In past 2 days, we have got to know that UAE will now allow people who got stuck in India, Pakistan and Asian countries to travel back to UAE. Also, just in today, we got the news that UK now will put UAE on the amber list. That means people from UK as well as people from UAE will now travel to the UAE as well as UK. Now that's some really good news and people were really hoping for the respective countries to make these announcements. And the third good news is that La Rosa, which is a project by Dubai Properties which got launched yesterday, is again a sellout. Now, if you look at the launches in last couple of months, be it Al Muruj by Nakheel, be it different communities in Tilal Al Ghaf, Harmony, Elan, Aura, or in Arabian Ranches 3, all the projects are getting sold out. I think this is the 7th or 8th consecutive launch which got sold out on the day of launch itself. Now, this will give you a clear picture of what is happening in Dubai. So let me tell you, all who are looking to invest in Dubai, this is the right time and this is the moment on which you should encash your investments. And what are we talking today? I'm going to tell you about the latest launch of Emaar Properties, which is called The Valley. Now they are launching a new cluster in the Valley called Nara. So let's begin today's episode of Realtor from Dubai. So we all know about Emaar. Emaar is a master developer. They have done projects like Emirates Hills, Dubai Hills Estates, Arabian Ranches 1, 2, 3, Downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, Dubai Creek Harbour, Emaar South, and the latest addition to their project list is The Valley. Now The Valley is the project which is located on Dubai Al Ain Road and they have just started these communities. So to start with, let me tell you more about the location of The Valley. The Valley is, as I said, is located on Dubai Al Ain Road, just minutes drive from Dubai Outlet Mall, 25 minutes from Burj Khalifa downtown Dubai, 25 minutes from Dubai International Airport, 30 to 35 minutes from Mall of the Emirates, around 40 minutes from Dubai Marina. Now for some people, this location might sound a little bit far when you compare with the existing communities like Arabian Ranches, Tilal Al Ghaf, the Mac Hills, or Dubai Properties Villanova. But you also should note that Emaar is a master developer. They always launch a project and with that project the location gets the development. Look at the example of Arabian Ranches 3. Now few years back, Arabian Ranches 3, they launched with a price of around 1.2 million dirhams. Now Emaar itself is selling properties in Arabian Ranches 3 for 1.8 million dirhams for a 3-bedroom. In the secondary market, the properties are being traded at around 1.55 to 1.6 million dirhams. So you can see the growth in the properties which were launched at very first, or I can say at the nascent stage, early stage of the community. And that is the advantage you will get when you invest in the Valley. The first cluster in the Valley which was launched last year was the Eden. Now Eden, the properties were sold at around 1.1 million, 1.15 million for a 3-bedroom townhouse. The latest offering which Emaar is giving, the Nara in the Valley, they are asking prices for 1.3 million dirham onwards. So you can see the prices have moved from 1.1 to 1.34. Now with every next cluster, the prices will go up. So if you are looking for a long-term investment, if you are looking for the early movers advantage, this is the project for you. Now to start with the latest offering, let me show you the master plan of the Valley. As you can see, the master plan of Valley is consisting of lot of activity centers. There is a town center, there is a golden beach, there is a sports village, there is a kids dale. So lot of activity centers, lot of modern architecture is provided in the master plan of the Valley. As I said, Eden was the first launch, Nara is the second launch, and you can see this is the cluster map of the Nara. You can see more of green spaces are given in the cluster. There are a lot of single row villas, and that is the advantage. If you are getting a 1.3 million dirham for a single row townhouse, that's a very good deal. Now since we have seen the master plan and cluster map of the latest offering, let me tell you what Emaar actually is offering. So in this new launch, you will get 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. Now Emaar has come up with different type of architectures, different type of finishing in these launch. So you have got basically 3 different type of architectures: Aston, Palma and Charm. Now these are the basic images of different types of architectures. So you can choose and select which one would you like to go for. They are offering you 3 bedroom townhouses, which the size of which will start from around 1865 square feet onwards. They are offering you 4 bedroom townhouses. The size will start from around 2300 square feet onwards. The starting price of this particular launch is around 1.3 million dirham for a 3 bedroom townhouse, which will go up to around 1.45 to 1.5 depending on the location. If you go for something which is on the pool and park, that will cost you around 1.5. The 4 bedroom townhouses, the starting price would be around 1.79, let's say 1.8 million dirham. Depending on the location, depending on the closeness to the amenities, the price will vary. The payment plan. Now you can see developers used to offer post handover payment plans before for the previous launches. Now onwards, I don't think that there will be any post handover payment plans because the market is moving. There's a lot of demand, a lot of people are buying in townhouses and villas. So the payment plan for this particular project is 50-50. That means you pay 50% during construction, 50% on handover, which is around end of 2024. So the basic payment plan would be 12% down payment, 10% you pay in November. So in 2021 you will pay around 20%. In 2022 you will pay around 20%. In 2023 you will pay roughly 8%, and then the last installment, which is 50%, that is on handover, let's say towards the end of 2024. In the launch offer, you're also getting a 50% DLD waiver, which will be valid only for the launch day. So I believe this particular launch is for someone who wants to get the early movers advantage, who wants to take the advantage of the lower price, because at this point of time there is nothing in the market which you can get for roughly 1.4 million dirhams. La Rosa 5 was there, but that got sold out just yesterday. So for this you don't have any options in which you are getting a 3 bedroom for 1.4. In Tilal Al Ghaf, you are getting a 3 bedroom starting from around 1.75. Of course, the location is different, but if you are price conscious and if you would like to wait for a couple of years to develop the location to get the advantage of early moving, the Valley is the project for you. If you need any more details, all you have to do is call me on my contact number, which is 971-54771-7848. You can also reach out to me on my Instagram handle, which is Realtor from Dubai. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, because I can see this non-subscriber ratio is higher. If you like my content, if you feel that I'm giving you valuable insights, honest opinions about the project, then please do subscribe to my channel, because that will motivate me to make more such videos indeed helping you to make a informed and wiser real estate decision. If you feel that you have any questions or concerns, feel free to write those down in the comment section below. And again, if you need any more details, if you want to secure a unit for yourself, you have to contact me on my contact number which is given earlier. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Thursday with yet another project from Dubai where you can invest in your future. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.